So when we talk of bringing about harmony in the world, some sort of unity in the world, unless and until I as an individual bring about this harmony and unity within myself, it's not going to happen. Well, the simple definition of yoga is Yad Jyoti iti yoga, one that joins, one that unites. So perform yoga, not the acrobatic exercises. They are there, of course. Asanas are there. Maintaining our physical health is good. We need that. Even to meditate properly, we need to have good physique, right? And meditation to me is the only key that can unite us. When I close my eyes and I witness the differences arising in my heart's approach and my mind's approach, only through contemplation and arriving at certain meditative state, I can iron out those differences within me. That should be good enough. I will not be in a position, even if I was God, to unify the mind and heart of another person. So when we talk of bringing about harmony in the world, some sort of unity in the world, unless and until I as an individual bring about this harmony and unity within myself, it's not going to happen. We have seen the promoters of unity, for example, Lord Jesus, Buddha, Lord Krishna, Prophet Muhammad. All of them had challenges, all of them. How many times Lord Krishna was attacked by his own people, by his own mama, you can say, mother's brother, right? How many times in those days Lord Jesus had to face insults and ultimately he had to be on the cross. In his attempts to unify the world, it's not easy. Hear the story of Rabia, hear the story of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet had to run from Makkah to Medina and Medina to Makkah just to protect himself and his people, his tribes. Attacks after attacks. Terrorism is nothing new. It has always been there. Individually, I can bring about that harmony within myself. I cannot expect my spouse to have similar harmony. It will be a dream. So let's not fool ourselves that I can change my son and I can change my daughter and I can impress the world. It's not going to happen. But I can always share my experiences. I can share the practice with others. A lot of love. And if they do it, fine. If they don't do it, I cannot be aggressive. We have to pray. And this common evolution is going to happen. Just like we establish some level of culture. The fashion, for example, fashion culture. Long time back, people were laughing at when you were doing asanas. What is this acrobatic things you are doing? But nowadays, throughout the globe, yoga has become famous. And I am sure one day, meditational practice, especially offered by Heartfulness, will become the voice of every human being. And that's when the consciousness of the planet will change. So we have to wait a long time. But the journey begins with myself.